Hi buddy, good morning. We're doing copy pasta from daily change from Bugforge. The hint said read snippet. Okay, as usual we do inspect not you network, and we have persistent log disable cache. Of course, you register as always. So you just register a name just to log in, and then for example 123 you log in. Of course this is the public snippet, but whenever you're in an application, try to follow it. So it said create snippet. So and see what you can do with it. My first snippet, for example, my test, this one is fine. So we create a snippet. Also it tells us about collection. We can create our own collection, my first collection. So we follow the app as it does. And then if I go to public, of course, if you did this room before, you can see, for example, I can view. Okay, I can add it to my collection, so I can activate my collection, so I can know. Now also I can go to my profile. You have a account setting, and the profile endpoint is interesting because if you go to the profile, it responds with your snippet. So basically I can go to public and I can cut the users. For example, here we have the user coda123. I can just edit and resend, and I get put coda123. If I go, I can get a snippet of this user. And more interested because about snippet today, public is 1, dot public is 1, public is 1.12. So we're looking for private ones. This is public. We can go also to our friend admin, for example. You can get snippet for admin. We can see it's a public is 0, so it's a private, but there is no flag there. So where is the flag for today? So that's one of the issue. You can also check the endpoint collection. When you call collection, also it call if you view your collection, it call with an idle, so I can go collection 1, I can get the other user collection 2, but same problem, the private one doesn't show me the flag. Now the hint said read the snippet. Now if I go and I said API notes, if I read this one, this one is very interesting because you can see it says this API snippet public filter, and it has this filter on it. So if I go back to my endpoint public and it's see there, so if I follow the logic here, I can have a filter here. For example, I can add no new request. So if I go the public, can you add the same as there? It said public filter Python. Guess what? It does really work. It gives me the information for the filter. So it does filter, this one filter with a language, and also the room, this one it tell you filter with the title. This is only even list and snippet that are marked public, and you can see it tell you a public. So the question is, can I get the private one? So if I can with a title, so it means I can do title. For example, if I do the title field data, for example, and search it, no, so it does a couplet, so it does search for, oh, it does search for the whole title. So you need to put whole title, doesn't search by keywords. So if I do that, I can search for the, but no, so if I can search with, the question can we search with is public. So if I do, remember it tell you is already in the message, it tell you this only evenly snippet that are marked public. I don't know why I don't see that side, but we'll come back to it later on. So filter is public, so if his public is 0, no, just go me there. If public is 0, if you do this, you get this one. So the filter is public, like is blocked or something, so we don't get anything, so we get empty JSON. Now, if you look for this bracket like that, it reminds you of new SQL payload that, for example, the bracket things. This bracket is usually is a new SQL type of things. So if I want to do NoSQL, so is public, and imagine is express, back this application is express, so I can do the payload dollar not equal and said is public not equal, and I hope the application will catch it not equal 1, so it means give me the private ones. So filter is public not equal 1 because we're doing with array, so the assumption is it possibly it might work, and guess what, it does work if you test it. And then we can get this ID 4 for some reason, password generator, and no, not this one. Yeah, we got a flag in password generator. Irony, it give me the flag here, but I don't know why it doesn't really uh, remember when, because ID number 4 inspect, when we did it said it's an ID number 4, public is 4, this user is user ID 3. Who is the user ID 3? Language password, secure random password. Yeah, this user, but we did this copy value. If I go to the endpoint of a profile, I don't know why we didn't see it before, because if I do edit and resend and I put his user there, I should get a response with his snippet and pass. Which one? That one we got now? We got the flag and the password generator. If you go here's password generator, that's private, but there's no flag. So the room creator wants you to do that new SQL injection, so you can see the snippet. I can catch it here, but there is no flag in this endpoint. You can see is Python generator secure on the password is the same this, but when public is 0, you can see public is 0. Share code A66, share does A66, but now it after that you get there, but this one give more info and give you the flag. So the lesson here is of course you read this one, you can see it give you the snippet there, and then you play with the domain like a new SQL, because this one, if it reflects in backend, be like is public not equal 1. So the assumption is that, of course, and you get your in ID number 4, and not that one, this one, and that's your flag for today. So that's your payload for today. Thank you everybody, and have a good weekend.